can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the general cryptocurrency market. It looks like we're having a bounce today. It's been a very dreadful week. We've seen extreme fear grip the cryptocurrency market, with altcoins dumping down to gobbling town, double-digit losses across the board, extreme fear deep in the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin finally losing $100,000. Finally losing $90,000. We saw Bitcoin even getting to as low as $85,000. On some exchanges, went lower than that. How low can Bitcoin go before the end of the year? Do we need to see that relief rally before the end of the year? A lot of market participants have given up right now. Talks of bear market, talks of the cycle is over. In this video, we'll look at the Bitcoin US dollar price chart on a weekly time frame. Realistically, where is Bitcoin in this cycle? Bitcoin has been pumping since November of 2022. We'll look at others, total crypto market cap, Bitcoin dominance, Ethereum. We'll also look at the altcoin season index. When are we going to see altcoin season? Is there any chance for altcoins in 2025? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. The altcoin market received huge beatings over the last 1 week, over the last 1 month. We saw a lot of altcoins dumping. If you go on a monthly time frame, altcoins are down bad. After Zcash, Dash, ICP, Telcoin, and some few altcoins that have held strong over the last 1 month, majority of altcoins in the cryptocurrency market saw huge double-digit losses. Pepe is down 40%, ANA is down 48%. A lot of altcoins are down 30 to 40%. But all eyes are still on Bitcoin. Market participants are still scared. What's the next part for Bitcoin? Bitcoin has gotten to $126,000. We saw Bitcoin getting to a new all-time highs. We were singing Kumbaya. We are going to the moon. But right now, Bitcoin has shed more than $46,000 from that all-time high. Bitcoin dumped to as low as $80,000. From the bear market lows, Bitcoin is still up. From the bear market lows, Bitcoin is still up 451%. Bitcoin is currently trading back where we're trading in April of 2025. And coincidentally, in April, there was extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market. Also, market participants were scared. But this time around, the question that's ringing around the market is this cycle over? Have we started the bear market? A lot of market participants are asking that question, and there's a lot of signs to actually support the claim that maybe, just maybe, we have started the bear market. I strongly believe we're going to get that relief rally, but the $1 million question is how high can the relief rally goes? If you look at Bitcoin's previous price history, anytime we lose the 50-week moving average, it's always been the end of the bull market cycle. Will this time be different? Are we going to see a pump to new all-time highs from where we're currently trading? From where we're currently trading at the $86,000 level, for Bitcoin to reclaim the 50-week moving average, you need to see Bitcoin pump to at least $102,000. That's around a 16% pump from where we're currently trading. Another important thing that's happened over the last few weeks has been, as Bitcoin has been dumping, altcoins have been dumping. Coincidentally, Bitcoin dominance in the cryptocurrency market shows that altcoins are actually gaining ground. The altcoin market didn't dump as hard as Bitcoin. So even though we saw Bitcoin dumping from all-time high to as low as $80,000, we've seen the altcoin market gain ground. And that's why Bitcoin dominance is currently below its 50-week moving average, which historically has been good for the altcoin market. Since the 4th of November 2025, we've seen Bitcoin dominance. Even though the move has not been crazy, it's just been around the 1.97% move for Bitcoin dominance, but substantial. A dump always starts with one. A big dump always starts with one tiny dump to gobbling town. And right now, I strongly believe Bitcoin dominance is at that point in time where it could roll off and fall. Now, what does Bitcoin dominance fall mean for the rest of altcoins in the cryptocurrency market? It means we're going to see a lot of market participants right now buying altcoins, FOMO into the altcoin market. I have a mantra, and that mantra has held me aligned throughout this market cycle. I always say the crowd is always wrong at the extreme. This time is not different. This is not going to be the first bull run we have seen. Historically, the bull run always ends when market participants are excited, when they are singing Kumbaya, when they all believe we'll go to the moon. I was scratching my head to wonder how sentiment will quickly change for us to see greater extreme or extreme greed return back to the cryptocurrency market, and then I realized a lot of retail market participants are scared right now. If you look at sentiment in the cryptocurrency market, there's extreme fear, which is good to see. If you have been in the market long term, you know that extreme fear has always been a good time to buy. The mantra goes, buy when there's extreme fear so that you can sell when there's extreme greed. You buy when there's extreme fear when the prices are low. When we go to extreme greed, when the prices go back high, you can sell for some sweet profit. So if retail investors are running out right now from the market, believing this time is different, cycle is over, it means if the market have a strong bounce over the next few days and the next few weeks, we assume Bitcoin goes to $100,000. So that crypto market cap has a bounce. Bitcoin just going back to $100,000, around a 20% move from the $80,000 level where we dumped to in this current crash. I will not be shocked to see FOMO return back to cryptocurrency market. I will not be shocked to see market participants piling back into the market at higher prices. If the cycle is over, we might still see a rally. Remember, guys, the cycle being over doesn't mean we'll start dumping straight to goblin town. If you go back to previous bear markets, you'll see, even though the cycle might be over, there's still some rallies in the bear market. And funny thing about the bear market rallies is that they are very, very aggressive to the upside. Look at what Bitcoin did way back in 2018. We're deep in the bear market. Bitcoin pulled out a 93% move in 28 days. Bitcoin was not done when Bitcoin touched the 50-week moving average in 2018. We saw it pull out another 52% move in 35 days. Now, all this was happening after Bitcoin had fallen from its all-time high of around $20,000. Bitcoin went down to as low as $6,000, losing 68% of its value in 56 days. So even though we're in the bear market, things can move quickly, and those bear market rallies are where a lot of market participants get liquidated. Be careful out there, guys. Right now, there's extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market. Right now, a lot of market participants are scared, and you see a lot of market participants shorting the market because they missed the top. Right now, as we're extreme fear, they're shorting the market, thinking we'll continue going down to goblin town. Don't be shocked if you see a reversal over the next few days. In the last 24 hours, more than 115,000 traders have been liquidated. Total liquidation is coming around $206 million. Largest single liquidation order happened on Hyperliquid. One trader lost $3 million. And if you're wondering, how has Bitcoin performed in the month of November? November has not been a great month for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is down 21% in the month of November. This is turning out to be the second worst November in Bitcoin's price history. I believe sentiment will change over the next few days and next few weeks. I believe we are going to see the bears get liquidated. That's going to be one of the fuel for the last rally. That's going to be one of the fuel for the relief rally that's going to shoot altcoins to the moon and probably see Bitcoin go on a 702 retracement. My long-term targets for Bitcoin from where we're currently trading right now, max will be seeing Bitcoin trade around $113,000. In that kind of situation, having a reversal from where we're currently trading to $114,000, I can envisage a lot of greed returning back to the cryptocurrency market. If you look at the total crypto market cap, which has gone below its 50-week moving average also, a rally towards $3.3 trillion, maybe $3.5 trillion will not be crazy. My base case scenario will be the total crypto market cap setting new all-time highs. I can envision that scenario where total crypto market cap sets new all-time highs. Total crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin also sets new all-time highs, but Bitcoin, the king of the cryptocurrency market, just goes for a 702 retracement. We've seen that happen in the past multiple times. We saw that happen with Bitcoin in April of 2021. We saw Bitcoin first dumping. Bitcoin went for a 702 retracement to that crypto market cap and altcoins in the market. That's when they had their blow off top. If you go back to 2017, we saw similar price action for Bitcoin also. After Bitcoin topped, we had a dump. Bitcoin went for a 702 retracement. Before it continued, it's dumped to goblin town. So even though we're in the bear market, even though the cycle is over, let's still expect that big bounce. That bounce can come any moment from now. Are we paying close attention to Bitcoin dominance? Because when Bitcoin dominance starts dumping and you see the altcoin market pumping, that's a telltale sign that we're in that relief rally that will eventually lead to the dump to goblin town. Ethereum, the king of altcoins, the cryptocurrency market, still has a chance to get to $5,000. The most funny situation this cycle will be Ethereum finally rally above $5,000, maybe even getting to as high as $5,300, where a lot of market participants sit and complain because right now the vibes are very down, and when the vibes are down, you're always going to be seeing negative sentiment, negative comments in the cryptocurrency market. You see people clowning the bulls, the bears, everybody that is bearish right now will be celebrated. It looks like he has a magic glass. But in the coming days and the coming weeks, I will expect us to see us pumping to higher prices. And the higher we go, the more a lot of market participants get scared, because the higher we go, the more it just looks like a dead cat bounce. And by the time you see majority of people on Twitter and on other social media platforms start saying, you know what, the bull market is back, we're going to the moon, that might be a telltale sign to run for the hills. The crowd is always wrong at the extreme. Even if you look at news stories going around the cryptocurrency market right now, market participants are still divided. The bulls believe there's still one pump to the upside. The bears believe it's over. We are dumping to Goblin Town. I believe the truth is found in the middle. There can actually be a possibility where the bull market is over, but will not dump straight to Goblin Town. The market doesn't dump in a straight line. That relief rally is going to come through. And when that relief rally comes through, only those that are prepared will be able to take advantage of it. If you look at the altcoin season index, right now we're not an altcoin month, we're not an altcoin season. But over the next few days, I expect the market to drift into an altcoin month and possibly an altcoin season. We've been dumping since Bitcoin set all-time highs on the 6th of October 2025. I don't believe we'll continue dumping forever. I believe we'll see a relief rally, and that relief rally will shock a lot of market participants. If you pay attention to the meme coin market, that's where most gains are going to be made. The last 1 week has seen the meme coin market dump aggressively. But that's what you expect. The meme coin market is very, very volatile. Volatile on the downside, volatile on the upside. Yes, we've seen it volatile to the downside over the last few weeks. But the next few weeks, we might see the meme coin give us the biggest gains yet in this cycle. The top 10 cryptocurrency by market capitalization is still relatively unchanged. Bitcoin is still the king of the market. Bitcoin trades above $86,000 with the market cap getting to the $1.7 trillion level. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. We're seeing a green day today in the cryptocurrency market. The last 1 week has been very crazy with that huge dump, with extreme fear gripping the market. Are you ready for that relief rally? How high do you see the altcoin market pumping during the relief rally? And do you believe the cycle is over, or this is just a stop before we pump to all-time highs? Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.